Are DJI Pocket 4 pre-orders actually live right now? Because if you've been seeing that headline floating around, you're probably wondering whether to click buy or whether this is just another internet rumor getting out of hand. The truth is somewhere in the middle, and honestly, it's more interesting than a simple yes or no. What's happening right now isn't an official global pre-order from DJI. It's something a bit different, and it actually tells us a lot about how close we are to the real launch. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what's going on, what these early pre-orders actually are, what the blind order policy means for you, and what the April 20th date everyone's talking about really signals. Let's get into it. So here's what's actually happening. In China, DJI authorized retailers have started taking what are called blind pre-orders. And that word blind is doing a lot of heavy lifting here. It means customers are reserving the Pocket 4 without knowing the final specs, without a confirmed price, and without a locked release date. A WeChat message from one of DJI's authorized dealers confirms that bookings for what they're calling the annual flagship handheld device opened on April 4th, 2026. That language alone, annual flagship handheld, is about as close to a confirmation as you're going to get before an official announcement. These pre-orders are being handled on a first-come, first-served basis through offline stores and WeChat, not through DJI's own platform. Full payment is only required once the product is officially released and ready for pickup. And if you change your mind after the specs drop, you can cancel. So there's a safety net built in, which is pretty reasonable given that buyers are committing before knowing what they're actually paying for. Here's the thing. Retailers don't start taking pre-orders on a first-come, first-served basis unless they have solid internal distribution information. This isn't speculation from a forum post. This is the supply chain starting to move. And when the supply chain moves, a launch is close. Retailers are already flagging that high demand could push later orders into a second batch, which, if you followed any DJI launch before, is completely standard. DJI products move fast when they drop. The current expectation across the board is an official announcement around April 20th, with China likely going first before a global rollout. So while the official pre-order with confirmed pricing and full specs hasn't started yet, everything happening right now is pointing directly at that date. Now, the real question: does it make sense to place one of these blind pre-orders? If you're in China and have access to a DJI authorized dealer, the cancellation option does take most of the risk off the table. You're essentially holding a spot in line without being fully locked in. That said, for everyone outside of China, this isn't even an option yet. And honestly, waiting for the official global launch is the smarter move. You'll have confirmed specs, confirmed pricing, and a real pre-order process with proper consumer protection behind it. Trust me on this one. A few extra days of patience is worth knowing exactly what you're buying and at what price. That's where things stand right now. Pre-orders are technically live, but only in this early, unofficial retail sense inside China. The official launch with full specs and global availability is still ahead. And based on everything lining up around April 20th, we're talking days, not weeks. We'll be covering the official announcement the moment it drops, so make sure you're subscribed and have the bell turned on so you don't miss it. And in the meantime, are you planning to pre-order the Pocket 4 on day one, or are you waiting to see the full spec sheet first? Drop your answer in the comments. We'd love to know where you're at with this one.